This is Duke University.
I think one of the big challenges in foreign language teaching, especially at the elementary level, is that the contact hours that we get to spend with our students in the classroom, in my opinion, are really not enough to sort of progress with language proficiency. That's for the elementary level. We're talking about 4 hours a week. So one thing that I gave myself as a challenge is to think about creative ways of sort of expanding contact hours. And at that point, I turned to technology and digital tools. I'm also a member of the PhD Lab in Digital Knowledge, where I think about with colleagues of tools that we can use to expand the time students engage with each other or with the instructor. And so, for example, I use this tool called Actively Learn, where students can collaboratively read a short text, in this case about the Berlin Wall, and discuss it online. They're all at home, and I insert questions through that platform that helps the students to start a discussion. They comment on the text, they engage with each other, to have a conversation outside of the classroom so that when we meet in class, we can jump right in and get started with the discussion. I also take a similar approach when it comes to introducing new grammatical concepts. With only 4 hours every week, I don't want to spend the time in class explaining grammar. I want the students to use the structures to engage with topics that interest them. So I use methods that come sort of from the flipped classroom model, where I create exercises, short explanatory videos that I put online for the students to encounter a new grammatical concept at home, online, virtually for the first time, so that when we get to the classroom where we meet, we can actually use the language, engage with topics that interest them, because our students, they're all very smart. They have a lot of interests. So I want them to be able to engage with those topics through the German language to get a new perspective.